Hey, how's it going? Alex here, and today I want to talk about the XPPen Note Plus that this company sent to me for this video. I've been trying it for the past few days, and I think this could be really good for a couple scenarios. I'm going to show it to you in a closer look in a few seconds, but bottom line, this could be really good for students, this could be really good for home office, and this could be really good for everyday use as well, but especially for students. I have it paired right here with my spare phone, but I think this could be also really good to pair it with a tablet, with a bigger screen, so you can actually draw in it. You can draw in this one, you can take notes. And the best thing is it comes with the option to use it with ink or without ink. It comes with 50 pages, more than 5,000 lines per minute, and also more than 8,000 pressure points. Let's check it out to see what you get out of the box, and then we're gonna do a few demo tests. So out of the box, of course, yes, you get the box. You also get some replacement pen points right here, which I think this is really good in case you also want to try, for example, the option with ink and no ink. You also have the quick study guide. You need to give it a read to this one. It's not super complicated, but if you understand everything, especially the LED lights, you're actually going to have a better experience. And then it comes with the charging cable, which I gotta show you that it's not a USB-C cable, so you can't lose this cable. Of course, you can get a replacement, but it's not a USB-C cable. And then this is the actual A5 notepad. So you have right here the pen that you're gonna see that you can just take it out. You can remove this entire thing, of course, and open it up. And you're gonna see how beautiful this one is. This is the charging point. The green light means that it's on already. You also have the one touch button right here, which is gonna be, for example, for erasing page or turning page. And then you have the 50 page with all the line and points right here to keep it on a good place when you are drawing or taking notes. I have to say that this is really elegant. I do like the materials of this one and how it's made. I do like the pen holder, of course. And this can be one of those gadgets that when you take to the office, everyone is asking you, where did you get it? Let's take a demo test. So right here, we are in page number 1. I actually try it with the page on the bottom or the end of the actual notepad, so I can show this one to you right here. And what I'm gonna do right here is just gonna take some handwriting notes. Of course, you can also do some other type of notes, but this is gonna be, for example, if I wanna do this, like, this is a test. And you can see that this is actually in real time. This is in real time, as I was saying before. You can actually import the notes, you can print the notes, you can save the notes, you can do whatever you want with that one. Of course, the pressure point helps a ton, but then I want to show you something else. For example, let's say that I'm doing this right here. Yeah, I'm doing this right here, which I'm going to do this points and then put this all together and have this square. You can see how nice this is, how fast it is as well at the same time. But then I want to show you something. So right here, let's say that I'm doing this circle. And then if I move this a little bit, the pressure point will actually change, which is one of the best features. So it's actually will take that. So let's say that I'm doing this right here. And then when I'm doing this, I move it. You can see that it's not moving much. It's not moving much at all. So it's actually keeping that pressure point, make it to be really, really accurate. That is actually one of the best features that I can think about this one. So for example, this is gonna be the XPPen Note Plus. And it's in real time, every single time in real time, and it happens when you are actually taking the notes. Of course, when you are done with taking the notes, you can actually import them, you can erase them, you can actually touch this button. It's gonna take you to the next page, which you can see this one is thinking, and now it's on the next page. Now, if you don't wanna waste that much paper, you can actually take this as the next page, which I think that is next page. See what's going on? This is actually on a new page, on the next page, and you can actually keep using the same type of pad, kind of like the same type of page. Something really cool that I liked of this, like if you want this one for drawing, for example, let's actually select this color. We're gonna do this color over here, we're gonna just close it. If you want, you can actually select different type of pens as well. We're gonna do the little one, the other one that is like a little bit more thick. You can keep the pages and you can just turn the pages with the actual app if you want. And this is really, really awesome. This is something that I really like because you can actually select different colors and then just close it and check this out, what's gonna happen now. So I'm gonna do this. So you can see that now the one that is doing on the bottom is way thicker than the other one, and it has this color right here. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select another color, and then this is what's gonna happen. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful way of also drawing. Check this out. This is phenomenal. Let's erase the page and turn the page right now. So again, I think that for every person that likes to draw more than anything, right? Likes to draw more than anything, and likes to, for example, do some anime drawings or cartoon drawings or things like that. But at the same time, taking notes, you know, just taking notes and make sure that you have this one for the office environment, for the home office, for also making sure that you can take notes. But not only that, using it on like every day as well. You know, you can just like use it on every day as well, and that's gonna be phenomenal for just like making sure that if you want to do this one for just taking notes, yes, you can do it. But if you also want to do it for something else, like for example, what I'm doing right now, which is like a simple drawing, you're going to see this one is going to be like a simple drawing. But for you, you can actually do this one anywhere. You know, you can do this anywhere. You can do this just on the home office. You can do it also, for example, if you're going to be working from home, you can do it as well. And of course, this is going to be really, really cool for any environment. I love it. I have to say that this has been a really nice surprise. I think that is perfect for the everyday use, but at the same time, it's also really good for just like using it as I'm using it right now. And you can see that this one I'm drawing and I have all the pens, all the colors, everything that I want to do. I can do it in real time. I love it. I have to say that this, again, has been a phenomenal surprise. I do totally recommend it.